Are you tired of sitting in a 1700 by 750 bath and it just not being deep enough to go over to your legs? Have you moved into a new house and you really love it, but you've realized that your tub does not go over your ankles? Then I'm joking. This is 1700 long by 750 wide. The internal depth is 600. You will not find another tub that has that. It's very nice. Taps do not have to go there. Just chuck that out straight away from 30 seconds in. Do not need to have this. The tub is shipped and sold to us. Sold to us. We're the manufacturer. It's not sold to us. We make the tubs. That is not there. It's blank. Just the waste hole in the middle. It's perfectly big enough for 2 people. It's really lovely to shower over. Much more space than the tub you've got in your house at the moment. Suitable for outdoors. Suitable for commercial use. Very, very popular amongst people in new builds who just want to retro a tub because they like their bathroom. Bathroom's cool. I like the tiles. I like all the stuff in my bathroom. I've just spent all this money on a house, but my bathtub is a joke. What can I do? You can do this. Take the 1700 by 750 out and put this in and then panel around it. Or if it's a new build and you've still got builders on site, ask them. You'll be able to grab some tiles off them. Game on. That's what we did with a customer who took the 1600 by 800 and got it cut to 750 in width because that was the width he had. Got the tiles off site, retiled around it, sexy. Then got access from the internal. Anyway, this is white. We do any color though. You can send me a sample for a color if you want bespoke color match. Or we've got like 130 standard colors. You can check that out watching the showroom tour video. Any color. Really, really lovely to sit and relax in. Get those legs straight. Your legs ain't gonna touch the end. So you're likely gonna have this as a 2-person tub. But if you just wanna have it all for yourself, then you do you. If I were having this tub, I would use it as a 2-person tub. And I wouldn't personally wanna put tap holes at the end, but you could. Tap, tap, overflow. Perfectly okay to do. Hole saw, 50 mil, get through there. 3/4 inch, 180 width. That fits most taps that you're gonna find or buy. 3/4 inch, 180 width. We set this up to be on one wall with a 3-sided surround around it. Panel, panel, panel. I mean wall panel, I don't mean a bath panel from us. We only make 2-sided bath panels at the moment, fat rip. Or 1-sided panel, can't make a 3-sided. Awkward. We will be able to do that one day. Not someday, soon, one day. But it does look cool like that. I do like it. Most commonly, I would say that this tub goes into a corner. Usually on a new build, you'd walk through the door like this. You'd have a toilet there or a toilet on that side, on the back side, and a basin there, generally, sort of standard layout. So if you've got a new build and you're in that position, it's probably similar to your layout. Tub goes in there. And so you might have the shower up there and the taps there. If that's the case, you can just do that. I'd probably opt for like something that would be like independent tap spouts. So they would operate hot and cold, hot one, cold the other. So I could still put my head there. And I'd probably get my installer to put them quite wide so I could put my head on it. Only because I know that it's a lush 2-person tub. Look at that depth. From there to there is 600. It's not flat down vertical like some people seem to think. You can clearly see there the slant up on this design. Same here, slant down. So it's not like that led down because the logic just wouldn't work. You take up like half of the tub, it just wouldn't work at all. So it's very, very comfortable. This could well be the first tub you've ever seen of us. We actually make over 30 different sizes of tub. Any color. Suitable for indoor, outdoor, or commercial use. UK shipping is free of charge, dedicated day delivery, also offer a whole service. Free shipping to Northern Ireland, who's doing that? I'll wait. Worldwide shipping to the domestic customer through DHL. Not the cheapest thing to ship, I will say, because we're charged volume weight, and the volume of that on a pallet through DHL is not cheap. But it is handmade. It is made in Britain. It does have a 30-year warranty. It is suitable for indoor, outdoor, and commercial use, and it's deep. Not deep like the previous Google search you made and looked for deep baths and found a website that had 400 mil deep tubs and you're like, is this a joke? I want a deep tub when that actually is deep. That is what we sell. That's what we manufacture, is actually a deep tub. There's the depth. And that depth means that when you're sat soaking in that tub, the water is at a very, very reasonable level, being fully submerged. If that's what you're after, that's what this is. It is a very, very nice piece and will actually cover your body and could soak in there with another person if you wanted to. Height of this tub, I will just say, I have set this much higher than what one might want to set it at. For example, if this was, the trap was floating off the ground on a long trap fall, like a long one, and you needed the tub on the feet and the highest feet, that's still set higher. Compare the height from that piece to see, it's not very good, is it? There you go. See the difference? So we set it higher. You see the batten underneath that. There's plenty of space under there. Any questions you got with this product, you can message me on WhatsApp by touching the button on the website. It says WhatsApp Ollie. Or you can make a phone call, +44 1934 751 200. Email info@omnitub.co.uk. Send a message on X, Facebooks, Instagram. Commercial orders welcome. Multiple quantities welcome. This is a stackable tub, so I could stack this onto a pallet if this was going overseas, but it would take up more volume if you were taking a couple for your house or something. People often do that. But for UK orders, it's free shipping, so no problem, eh? Any questions you have, feel free to reach out. It's a 1700 by 750. It's the deep tub you were actually looking for when you started searching for a deep 1700 by 750 tub. This is the one that you were searching for. I'm not wrong. Any questions you get, feel free to reach out and I'm happy to help. Cheers, guys.